Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Nocturnal game for free on PC. So without wasting time, here follow these steps. First of all, open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Nocturnal and then click on the game. Scroll down and here you will see get Nocturnal, free to keep when you get it before 26th April. So this game is completely free, and if you download it before 26th of April, then you can keep the game in your account for free forever. So click on this add to account button and then click to install now. And here you can see Nocturnal and the size is 1.63 GB. Click on install. Now go to library and here you can see that Nocturnal game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Nocturnal game for free on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.